Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn off notifications from Frollo application. There are two ways to turn off notifications from Frollo application. The first step is to manually go to your settings application on your device and go to the notifications tab. After that, find Frollo application here. Click on it and click on Allow Notifications. Make sure that it is turned off. The second step is to turning off the notification from Frollo application. Open up your Frollo application. Then log into your account. Now click on the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, under the app settings tab, you can see notifications button. Click on it and you will be directed to the settings app. After that, click on notifications and toggle this switch off. So that is how you can turn off notifications of Frollo application on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.